Recipe Kitchen is back. So glad to see you again. Today, let's make stir-fried black fungus with French beans.
That's great. This recipe is perfect for my family and me because the family member who doesn't like French beans can enjoy the black fungus he loves, while I get to eat my favorite French beans. Ingredients are just black fungus and French beans. My family doesn't like eating green beans because they're bothered by the sound of chewing them. Does anyone else also struggle with green beans for the same reason? Feel free to share your thoughts below. Rinse the black fungus thoroughly, trim off the tough stem ends, and cut into small bite-sized pieces. Set aside. Wash the French beans thoroughly, remove the fibrous strings, and cut them into sections. Set aside. Blanch the black fungus for about 2 minutes. Too short may leave it undercooked, while too long can affect its crisp tender texture. Drain well before stir-frying for the best results. Now, let's start cooking. You can also saute some minced garlic or ginger first until fragrant, then add the French beans and stir-fry everything together. Season according to your taste with oyster sauce, salt, and mushroom powder. Skip the mushroom powder if you don't like it, just adjust to your preference. If it gets too dry, simply add a splash of water along the edge of the wok. Toss in black fungus and stir-fry. I tried the flavor and I prefer a bit of pepper and salt. Feel free to skip it if it's not your thing. Adding a bit of sugar just before finishing enhances freshness and aroma while balancing saltiness for a smoother taste. Use it sparingly to avoid overpowering the natural flavors. And that's it, simply done. Now it's ready to be served and enjoyed. Stir-fry black fungus without blanching, but it may result in a tougher texture and less absorption of flavors. Blanching helps soften it and remove impurities, while direct stir-frying requires longer cooking time and careful heat control. For the best results, blanching is recommended. Stir-fry blanched black fungus for just 1 to 2 minutes over high heat. Overcooking will make it lose its crisp, tender texture. Quick frying ensures it stays crunchy and flavorful. Black fungus actually a macroscopic edible fungus that grows on decaying wood, closely related to mushrooms. Due to its gelatinous texture and nutritional value, it was reserved as a delicacy for imperial courts, especially during the Tang Dynasty. Its dense fiber and gelatin help absorb and remove impurities from the digestive system, though proper soaking and cleaning are essential before cooking. Dried black fungus can last 1 to 2 years in storage. Once rehydrated, it regains its soft yet chewy texture, making it a historic winter food staple. Black fungus is rich in iron and fiber, while green beans provide vitamin C and protein. Together, they boost iron absorption and increase satiety. Both are low in calories and high in fiber, making them ideal for weight management and healthy eating. The crispness of green beans paired with the chewiness of black fungus creates a satisfying textural contrast. The gelatin in fungus helps bind impurities, while green bean fiber promotes motility. Together they support natural detoxification. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.